The virtue of sending blessings on Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I saw a man of my nation crawling across the bridge over hell, means Pulsira, sometimes kneeling and other times clinging to it. And suddenly his blessings over me came to take him by the hand and stand him up upon the bridge until he passed over it. At-Tabrani, Al-Mu'ajjam Al-Kabir, Sahih. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad. O Allah, send your mercy on Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.